Hi friends, I am Chiku.
And hi guys, I am Ishant.
Welcome to Chiku Pedia. Friends, in last video I had shown you how to make a volcano project using cardboard. So friends, in this video I will show you how to make a volcano project using soil very easily.
Guys, can you see this beautiful volcano? Friends, this volcano we have made from clay or yellow soil.
Dried and colored volcano ready for eruption. So guys, let's see for eruption what we need.
Friends, we will take 3 spoons of baking soda, 1 spoon of color, liquid dish soap and vinegar.
So friends, are you ready? I am so excited. So let's get started. So friends, first we will put 3 spoons baking soda. So friends, this is dish soap. Now I am putting this. So friends, now I am putting orange food color. So friends, now at last this is vinegar time. So let's add vinegar.